got this giant shark vertebra.
Delve into the terrifying and mysterious secrets of the world's southernmost continent, Antarctica. As one of Earth's last frontiers, it continues to baffle and astonish us with a range of unexpected and sometimes alarming discoveries. Number 1. The ancient fossilized rainforest. In the heart of the icy, desolate landscapes of Antarctica lies a paradoxical sight. There, in the midst of the frozen terrain, researchers unearthed the remains of an ancient, temperate rainforest as old as 90 million years. This discovery, a stark contrast to the present Antarctic environment, was a revelation, a vestige of a world long lost. This fossilized forest was discovered beneath the ice-covered seabed. Extracting sediment cores, the international team of researchers found traces of pollen, roots, and spores, definitive markers of a once thriving temperate rainforest. Radiometric dating placed these fossils in the mid-Cretaceous period, a time known for high atmospheric carbon dioxide levels and, consequently, warmer global temperatures. The existence of a rainforest in the current polar desert demands a drastic shift in the climate. The fossils paint a picture of a landscape teeming with life, featuring a dense canopy of ferns and flowering plants. This lush green world stands in stark contrast to the barren white expanse we associate with Antarctica today. This ancient rainforest is a silent testament to a world where Antarctica was devoid of ice, and the South Pole was covered with green vegetation. A natural consequence of this past is the enormous quantities of coal now found in Antarctica. This coal, essentially fossilized plant material, indicates that these forests lasted for many millions of years. In the grand narrative of Earth's history, the discovery of this ancient rainforest serves as a tangible, chilling reminder of the extremes our planet can endure. It forces us to recognize the possibilities in a high carbon dioxide future, a world where ice-covered poles could be a relic of the past. As we grapple with our contemporary climate crisis, the Antarctic rainforest stands as a sentinel of a warm polar past and perhaps a harbinger of our planet's potential future. Number 2. Blood Falls, an icy enigma. In the icy desert of Antarctica, an incongruous sight of crimson hue spills from the pure white expanse of Taylor Glacier, the Blood Falls. Named for their eerie, blood-red appearance, these falls are a starkly vivid natural phenomenon, a riveting anomaly amid the Antarctic white. The Blood Falls, despite their unsettling visual aesthetic, are not a product of any violent or horrific event.
All the red here is iron oxides, but as you can see, this water here is pretty clear.
Instead, they are a fascinating phenomenon of natural science. They owe their distinctive reddish tint to a high concentration of iron oxide, or in simpler terms, rust. This iron-rich liquid, an underground reservoir of ancient seawater, seeps out from the glacier's slow-moving ice and oxidizes once it comes into contact with air. This reaction transforms the initially iron-laden brine into a striking blood-red cascade, pouring down the icy face of the glacier. Although blood falls may appear as an ominous spectacle, its existence provides scientists with a unique opportunity to study a virtually untouched environment. Isolated from the surface for nearly 2 million years, the briny water underneath Taylor Glacier hosts an extraordinary microbial ecosystem. Here, in an environment devoid of sunlight and oxygen, these microbes have evolved to survive in conditions that mirror potential life on other planets. In a broader perspective, blood falls and its resident microbes provide a tangible demonstration of life's resilience. They epitomize the power of adaptation, underscoring the vast array of extreme environments where life can exist. Whether it's the inhospitable, ice-covered landscape of Antarctica or the potentially life-supporting moons of Jupiter, the falls serve as a compelling symbol of the tenacity and endurance of life. The blood falls, in all their striking peculiarity, are much more than an unnerving spectacle. They are a window into Earth's past, a glimpse into life's adaptability, and perhaps a portal to understanding life's potential presence beyond our home planet. From biology to astrobiology, they are a source of intrigue, beckoning scientists from around the world to unravel their enigmatic and invaluable secrets. Number 3. Meteorites from Mars. Celestial messages from the Red Planet. Antarctica, with its unending expanse of icy wilderness, is a silent witness to the universe's ancient tales. This inhospitable land has a secret treasure: meteorites. These are not just earthly rocks, but relics from the vast cosmos, remnants from our solar system's turbulent past. Among these celestial messengers, a special group sparks heightened interest: the meteorites from Mars. An analysis of these Martian meteorites has led to significant discoveries. For instance, one such meteorite, designated ALH 84001, is one of the oldest known objects in the solar system, aged about 4.5 billion years. This meteorite made headlines in 1996 when scientists announced the potential discovery of microfossil evidence suggesting primitive life forms on early Mars. The claim stirred debates worldwide, stimulating further Mars exploration to uncover the truth. Detailed examinations of these meteorites have also allowed scientists to study Martian atmospheric gases, volcanic activity, and water's presence. Water-deposited minerals in these rocks indicate that liquid water, a necessary ingredient for life, once existed on Mars. This revelation is tantalizing, given Mars's current inhospitable state, and fuels the ongoing search for life beyond Earth. The exploration of Mars meteorites has also enhanced our understanding of planet formation and the history of our solar system. By comparing these Martian meteorites with Earth's rocks and other meteorites, scientists can better understand the processes that led to the formation of planets and their differentiation into cores, mantles, and crusts. While the red planet is being explored by robotic rovers, its meteorites here on Earth continue to provide valuable information about its past. As we stand on the precipice of human Mars exploration, these meteorites act as tangible links to our future destination, a bridge between Earth and Mars. In the vast, icy plains of Antarctica, each meteorite discovered is a cosmic time capsule, a fragment of our solar system's history. Among them, the Martian meteorites serve as emissaries from our neighboring planet, narrating tales of a world beyond our reach and propelling our relentless quest for knowledge about our place in the cosmos. Number 4. Million-year-old ice, a frozen chronicle of Earth's climate. Deep within Antarctica's chilling expanse lies an extraordinary archive of our planet's climate history. This record, frozen in time, is the continent's ancient ice, reaching back 1 million years. The ice holds trapped bubbles, tiny capsules of our ancient atmosphere, offering scientists unprecedented insights into Earth's climatic past. Retrieving this invaluable data involves drilling deep into the ice to extract cores, cylindrical samples that represent layers of ice accumulated over thousands, even millions of years. Each layer is like a page in a history book, detailing the atmospheric conditions prevailing when it was formed. The deeper the ice layer, the further back in time we reach. These ice cores, particularly the air bubbles trapped within them, are the keys to unlocking the secrets of our past climate. The bubbles are essentially small samples of ancient air, preserved undisturbed for millennia. By measuring the concentration of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane in these bubbles, scientists can reconstruct the composition of the ancient atmosphere. A million-year-old ice core, a coveted goal for many researchers, is anticipated to shed light on a pivotal period in Earth's climate history, called the mid-Pleistocene transition. This was when the Earth's climate cycles shifted from being about 41,000 years long to approximately 100,000 years long, a pattern that persists today. Understanding this shift is crucial for predicting future climate patterns. The ancient ice of Antarctica is a frozen library, holding the narratives of Earth's climatic past. From tiny air bubbles, we can extract a wealth of information about the atmosphere's composition, global temperature trends, natural climate rhythms, and more. In an era where understanding and mitigating climate change is of utmost importance, these million-year-old ice cores are more than just curiosities. They are critical tools for studying our planet's future by unveiling its past. Number 5. Enormous subglacial Lake Vostok, a hidden aquatic world. Deep beneath Antarctica's formidable ice surface exists a hidden aquatic world. This is Lake Vostok, one of the largest subglacial lakes on Earth. Nestled under about 4 kilometers of ice, it is a relic of the ancient world, having been isolated from the rest of the planet for an estimated 15 million years. Lake Vostok is an anomaly in more ways than one. Despite its under-ice location, it remains liquid due to the immense pressure exerted by the overlaying ice and geothermal heat emanating from Earth's core. Its size rivals that of some of the Great Lakes in North America, stretching approximately 250 kilometers long and 50 kilometers wide. Beyond its biological significance, Lake Vostok's water and ice also contain clues about Earth's past climate. The ice above Lake Vostok is composed of layers that have compacted over thousands of years, each layer holding valuable information about the climate conditions of a specific time period. Scientists can extract and study these layers, much like the rings of a tree, to chart a timeline of Earth's climatic history. Exploring Lake Vostok's depths is akin to exploring outer space. The technology, techniques, and protocols developed for studying this subglacial lake could be instrumental in future space missions aimed at exploring the subsurface oceans of Europa and Enceladus. In many ways, Lake Vostok embodies the essence of Antarctica, a realm of extremes, a preserver of Earth's ancient history, and a place that continually challenges our understanding of life's resilience. It reminds us that even in the most inhospitable corners of our planet, life can find a way, and that our quest for discovery, whether it's on Earth or in the far reaches of space, is far from over. Number 6. The active volcano beneath the ice, Mount Erebus, a fiery heart in a frozen land. Contrary to the perception of Antarctica as a desolate land of ice and chill, the continent also boasts an active, fiery resident, Mount Erebus. Named after the ancient Greek deity of darkness, Erebus is the southernmost active volcano on the planet, its peak piercing the icy landscape with a display of Antarctica's geologic dynamism. Mount Erebus, situated on Ross Island, is renowned for its persistent lava lake, one of only a handful around the globe. This molten pool presents a window into the heart of the volcano, offering a real-time display of volcanic activity that is as fascinating as it is educational. The very existence of a lava lake requires a delicate balance between heat supply and heat loss. The stable presence of a lava lake on Mount Erebus is, therefore, an indication of the volcano's persistent activity and a testament to its unique geologic setting. The sight of lava bubbling and spewing within the icy expanse of Antarctica is a captivating paradox of fire and ice. The volcanic heat from Mount Erebus also influences local ice and weather conditions, creating unique phenomena such as fumaroles and Erebus ice crystals. Fumaroles, openings in the Earth's crust emitting steam and volcanic gases, dot the area around the volcano. As the hot gases rise and interact with the cold Antarctic air, they create intricate tower-like ice structures known as Erebus crystals, contributing to the surreal landscape surrounding the volcano. Additionally, the volcano and its surroundings harbor hardy microbial life, enduring the severe cold and the volcanic emissions. These microbes enrich the otherwise sparse Antarctic ecosystem and can teach us about life's adaptability to extreme environments. Mount Erebus, the towering fiery beacon amid Antarctica's icy expanse, defies the conventional image of this polar continent. Its steady volcanic activity, unusual gas emissions, and influence on local ecosystems mark it as a unique feature of Antarctica. The volcano underscores the diversity of this remote landscape, reminding us that even in the coldest corners of Earth, heat, life, and dynamic processes persist. Number 7. The mysterious B-15, the world's largest iceberg, a floating behemoth. In March 2000, an event of staggering proportions transpired off the coast of Antarctica, the calving of iceberg B-15, the largest ever recorded. Spanning an area of over 11,000 square kilometers, roughly the size of Connecticut. This colossal floating island of ice was a stark visual reminder of the accelerating transformations induced by climate change. B-15's detachment from the Ross Ice Shelf was more than a spectacle. It was an alarm bell. Iceberg calving is a natural process, but the size and frequency of such events are increasing due to warming temperatures. Large icebergs like B-15 contribute to sea level rise when they melt, posing an escalating threat to coastal communities worldwide. This gargantuan iceberg also significantly impacted marine navigation and local ecosystems. Its massive size posed a formidable obstacle for ships, necessitating alterations to standard routes. B-15's presence also disrupted the local marine ecosystem. As it drifted, it blocked sea ice from moving freely, affecting the access of penguins and seals to their feeding grounds and resulting in population declines for these species. Number 8. The cryptic Antarctica Gamburtsev Mountains, a hidden alpine giant. Beneath Antarctica's seemingly flat and monotonous ice sheet lies a topographic enigma, the Gamburtsev Mountains. This hidden range, discovered in the late 1950s, stretches approximately 1,200 kilometers across the continent's interior, with peaks rising to 3,000 meters, similar in size to the European Alps. These subglacial mountains are a cold enigma, defying standard geological principles. Mountains are typically worn down by erosion, but the Gamburtsevs, protected by the ice sheet, are as rugged as younger mountain ranges. This preservation presents a paradox. The mountains should be old due to their location in the center of a tectonically stable region, but their ruggedness suggests youth. Their existence under kilometers of ice also puzzles scientists. Conventionally, mountains form through tectonic activity, but this region lacks such activity. Theories propose that the mountains may have been uplifted by heat from Earth's mantle or the thickening of the crust due to glacial erosion in surrounding areas. Exploring these mysteries, scientists have undertaken projects to map the mountains and study their geology. The Gamburtsevs, a hidden gem under Antarctica's icy cloak, challenge our understanding of geologic processes and spur us towards unraveling the icy continent's mysteries. Number 9. The million-year-old gas bubbles, tiny time capsules of Earth's past. Antarctica's ice is more than just a frozen expanse. It serves as a repository of Earth's atmospheric past, storing ancient gas bubbles. These tiny time capsules, some over 1 million years old, are buried deep within the ice, capturing snapshots of our planet's past atmosphere. The extraction and analysis of these gas bubbles have become an invaluable tool for climate scientists. Each bubble contains a sample of air from the time when the ice formed, essentially freezing the atmospheric composition of that period. By analyzing these gases, researchers can construct a historical record of atmospheric conditions, providing insights into Earth's climatic past. Key among these gases are carbon dioxide and methane, 2 potent greenhouse gases. Analysis of these gases in ice cores has revealed that their levels have been significantly increasing since the advent of the industrial era. Such findings corroborate the influence of human activities on global climate trends, providing tangible evidence of anthropogenic climate change. Studying these ancient gas bubbles also provides a basis for predicting future climatic trends. The records show how the Earth's climate responded to past changes in greenhouse gas concentrations, offering a window into potential future scenarios. In an era of climate change, these tiny bubbles offer invaluable insights, proving that big revelations can indeed come in small packages. Number 10. The elusive neutrinos from outer space, probing the universe's secrets. Antarctica's vast, icy wilderness is also a portal to the cosmos, serving as the backdrop for the IceCube Neutrino Observatory. This unique research facility, buried beneath the South Pole's ice, is designed to detect elusive neutrinos, tiny subatomic particles that zip through the universe almost undisturbed by matter. Neutrinos are cosmic messengers, offering a unique way to study the universe. Unlike light or cosmic rays, which are impeded or altered by cosmic dust, magnetic fields, and other obstacles, neutrinos maintain their original trajectory, providing an unscathed record of their sources. The detection and study of neutrinos can help answer fundamental questions about the universe and the laws of physics. They can reveal insights about celestial events like supernova explosions or the workings of the sun. Neutrinos can also help us understand the nature of dark matter, a mysterious component of the universe that eludes direct detection but influences the motion of galaxies. The IceCube Observatory has already made significant strides in neutrino astronomy, including the detection of high-energy neutrinos from a distant blazar, an active galactic nucleus with a jet pointing towards Earth. These and future discoveries underline the critical role of Antarctica in advancing our understanding of the universe, showing us that our gaze must extend beyond the ice and into the cosmos. Number 11. Evidence of past climate change, a timeline encased in ice. Antarctica, often deemed the world's natural laboratory, plays a crucial role in our understanding of Earth's climate history. Within the continent's vast ice sheets lie ice cores, cylindrical samples extracted from the ice sheet's depths. Each layer of these cores corresponds to a specific year or period, much like the rings of a tree, offering a frozen timeline of our planet's climatic past. Analysis of these cores has revealed a staggering fact. Current levels of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere exceed any point in the last 800,000 years. This finding is significant as carbon dioxide is a primary greenhouse gas, trapping heat in the atmosphere and thus influencing global temperatures. This record of past climates, or paleoclimatology, offers a crucial perspective on the present climate crisis. It highlights the exceptional nature of current warming trends and emphasizes the role of human activities in driving these changes. In particular, the burning of fossil fuels since the Industrial Revolution has led to a dramatic increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide, pushing our planet into uncharted climatic territory. Ice cores also reveal past instances of rapid climate change, showing that Earth's climate system can respond swiftly and dramatically to changes in greenhouse gas concentrations. Such revelations underscore the urgency of mitigating current carbon emissions to prevent potential abrupt and severe climatic shifts. Number 12. Alien-like deep-sea creatures, life in the extreme. The frigid, tempestuous waters of the Southern Ocean surrounding Antarctica are home to an array of marine life that seems to belong more to science fiction than to our planet. These alien-like creatures, adapted to survive in one of Earth's most hostile environments, offer invaluable insights into the tenacity and adaptability of life. From bioluminescent squids to gigantic sponges, the biodiversity of Antarctica's deep sea is striking. One such creature is the Antarctic toothfish, an apex predator that produces its own anti-freeze proteins to survive in sub-zero waters. Similarly, the sea spider, with its spindly, elongated limbs and lack of body segments, defies typical arachnid classifications. Each of these creatures has adapted to the Southern Ocean's harsh conditions in unique ways, whether through biological anti-freeze, slow metabolism rates, or the ability to survive without sunlight. These adaptations make them subjects of keen scientific interest, as understanding these mechanisms can inform areas from climate change resilience to the search for life on other planets. Moreover, this unique biodiversity underscores the need for the conservation of the Antarctic environment. In an era marked by habitat degradation and species loss, the alien-like creatures of Antarctica's deep sea remind us of the wonders our planet holds and our responsibility to protect them. Number 13. Signs of ancient human life. Unraveling a controversial mystery. Antarctica's ice sheets and severe weather conditions seem inhospitable for human life, particularly during ancient times. However, recent discoveries hint at the tantalizing possibility of an ancient human presence in this icy wilderness. If validated, these findings could challenge established theories of human history and migration. One such discovery is a map known as the Piri Reis map. This early 16th century map, created by Ottoman admiral and cartographer Piri Reis, seems to depict the northern part of Antarctica as ice-free. How such knowledge existed at the time is a subject of debate, with some proposing that the information could have been sourced from a civilization that witnessed an ice-free Antarctica. Further speculation arose from the discovery of what appear to be human-made structures under Antarctica's ice, detected using satellite imagery and radar scans. Proponents of the theory suggest these could be remnants of an ancient civilization, perhaps the mythical lost city of Atlantis. While such ideas are intriguing, they remain controversial. The scientific consensus is that humans did not inhabit Antarctica until the late 19th century. Many argue that the supposed signs of ancient human life can be explained through natural processes or misinterpretations. However, as exploration and research on the continent continue, the question remains open. An incontrovertible proof of ancient human presence in Antarctica could indeed rewrite our understanding of human history. Number 14. The threatening melting glaciers, a wake-up call from the ice. Amid the multitude of Antarctica's revelations, one stands out as especially terrifying: the rapid and accelerating melting of its glaciers. This discovery is not just a symptom of a changing climate, but also a harbinger of potentially catastrophic future consequences. Antarctica holds about 90% of the world's ice. The complete melting of this ice would lead to an approximate global sea level rise of 60 meters, inundating coastal cities and altering the world map. While such an extreme scenario is unlikely in the immediate future, even a partial melt could have severe implications. For example, the collapse of the Thwaites Glacier, dubbed the Doomsday Glacier, could raise sea levels by over half a meter. The melting of Antarctica's glaciers is driven by rising global temperatures, which are increasing at unprecedented rates due to human activities. Warmer ocean waters are eroding the glaciers from beneath, while warmer air temperatures contribute to surface melt. The melting glaciers of Antarctica serve as a stark reminder of the reality and urgency of climate change. Their retreat is not just a warning, but also a call to action. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions and implementing sustainable practices, we can still mitigate the worst impacts and safeguard our icy sentinel and the planet. Number 15. The ozone hole, an unintended consequence and a call to action. In the mid-20th century, the advent of chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, brought about a revolution in various industries, from refrigeration to aerosol sprays. However, the widespread use of these chemicals also led to one of the most startling environmental discoveries of the 20th century, the Antarctic ozone hole. The ozone layer, located in the Earth's stratosphere, acts as a protective shield, absorbing most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. However, scientists found in the 1980s that this layer was thinning dramatically over Antarctica, creating a hole. The primary culprits were identified as CFCs. Although these chemicals are stable and inert at the Earth's surface, they can rise to the stratosphere, where they are broken down by solar radiation, releasing chlorine atoms. These atoms then participate in reactions that destroy ozone molecules. The discovery of the ozone hole shook the global community, vividly demonstrating the vast, unintended consequences of human activities on the global environment. Increased UV radiation reaching the Earth's surface due to the ozone hole can cause skin cancer and cataracts in humans and harm animals, especially those in the Antarctic region like krill and phytoplankton, which form the base of the ocean food chain. The story of the ozone hole serves as both a cautionary tale and a beacon of hope. It underscores the importance of scientific research and global cooperation in addressing environmental challenges. Though the issue hasn't been entirely resolved, the progress made provides a blueprint for how humanity can respond to global environmental crises, most notably climate change. It reminds us of our collective power and responsibility in preserving our planet and the delicate balance that sustains life on it.